We are playing Hot Wheels and Juegowithsaba.
Hello.
But where are you? Yo, you're the dealership. Okay. I know. Now I know. Where are you? My car's laggy. I have a new car called Rocket Fire. Okay, so you're in the dealership, bro. Yeah. You're in the yeah. Wait there. Let me come.
Come.
Blue stuff. Yeah. There you are. I found the shark. Yeah. You just ran away. Oh my God! You just ran away. So this is my car. I'm gonna find you. Oh, there you are. Yes, I found you.
Yellow color.
Yeah. That's me. This is the bed. This is a car. Okay, come on, follow me. Follow me. Wait, where are you going? Okay, let me invite you in the drag race. Okay? Race. So let's win. Yeah. Click this. Come on. Race me. Yes. Come on. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah.
Ready? Good, ready?
Yeah, I gotta win.
I will.
What? I win again. I'm in the lead. I'm the lead.
It's not at all moving.
Bro, it's moving. Mine is the best car ever.
Let's see.
Race complete. I have completed the race.
How?
Come on. I found. Yes, I had 600 coins as a reward. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, let's buy new cars. Okay, can I buy a new car? It's 171. This is 145.
Shall we do again?
What?
Shall we do again?
Come on. It's the boost. Yep. What? The time ran out. Are you kidding me? Your time ran out. Your time has ran out. I have a nice car. Can you reset, please? We need to go back to the spawn point. Okay, let me come.
How should I reset for me?
Okay, you just reset. I found you. I'm gonna crash you. What? Yeah. Wait. What? Oh. Yeah. Okay, let me customize my car. Okay, restore factories.
What?
Undo changes. Uh-oh. Let me change into... Yeah, this looks cool. Now look at this. Okay. So, Juegowithsaba. Come on.
Shall we?
I have the city map. To teleport. Okay, let me invite you to my drag race and let's see who wins. Come on. Did it come or not? No.
Really select.
Hey, someone's racing. Are you kidding me? Someone is racing. It has a shark rider. I also have a shark rider. What? This is the fastest car ever. That's so slow. That's 152. You can't buy that. You don't upload. Wait. Did I? Wait, what? I won. I really won. Are you kidding me? But I won. Claim now. Claim. Okay. Okay, so now I have a 53 flame. You don't have enough money, bruh. You don't have enough money to buy anything. I have more money, but there's slow cars, but I can't buy. Okay. Okay, spawn your new truck. Okay, spawn your new truck. Okay, now let me invite you to the drag race. Okay.
Fine.
Okay, so let me invite you.
Thank
Race.
you.
Yeah, come on. Ah! Not him again. Yeah.
Ready, 2, and go.
I met the shark rider. Are you kidding me? I met the shark rider. Oh my god, I'm so fast. Oh god, I'm so fast. Oh god. Oh god. Yes, I'm in the second place. Are you kidding me?
I'm in the second place.
No.
I'm in the first.
I got second. You're laggy. Why are you? Your time will run out. Juegowithsaba. I know your time will run out. 171. Not bad. But I can't buy it. Yeah. Look at my new car, J Muscle. J. Oh!
Second.
That's easy for me.
Let's see what second.
I need to get this car. And I got this. Oh my god. Okay, I know that car. That's so cheap. I know. Who are you guys? Look at this. It's so beautiful. That he has this slow car. Are you kidding me? Okay, so the gold. I have golden paint. I have golden paint.
Okay.
Look. I'm gonna choose the golden paint. Okay, I choose the golden paint.
Okay.
And let's see if I can enough to buy the second car. Buy new cars. Buy. Yeah. This is the car. Buy. Yes. Now I got the second car to unlock that car. GMO Muscle Classic. Okay, so see. I have only this left. I need more money to buy this G Muscle Ultimate. Drive. Rewards, free flames. Okay, so buy new cars. It's this much. This is the ultimate. This is the car. Lemon 45. Okay, so let me invite you to the snake race.
Yeah.
Snake race is not a drag race. Okay, drag race is the easiest way. Okay?
Okay.
Race. Did you get?
No.
Get out of there first. But I get it. Ooh. Two of them joined me. Are you kidding me? Two of them joined me. Now the short rider is the slow car. Are you kidding me? Not again. Not the slow car again. What? Oh, I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying over the world. Stupid. Something is wrong with my car. I'm gonna choose the blaster. I'm gonna choose the Master Blaster.
You did not help me, that is the reason.
Okay, reset. You'll get safe. Then you'll respawn to this game. And you'll respawn. See? I told you. See? You're safe. Okay.
Can you invite me now?
Okay, let me invite you.
Yeah.
Wait, let me go. He just crashed me. Okay, let me go and... Oh my god. I just did a jump. Are you kidding me? This is the best game ever. Do you like this game, right?
Yes.
This is so cool. Okay, drag race is right there, and let me...
Have you invited?
Stop. Okay. Oh, I just left the race. Hey, you invited me? What? Did you invite? Race full. It says race full.
Begin within 4 seconds.
Yeah, you need to press this only.
Okay.
And just like this.
Oh.
Only. Click it for.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. You're the first place. What? You're the first place.
Oh, somebody is going.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me click the boost for you. Hey, click the... man. Can I consider you?
Yes.
Race complete. Ah, you got a badge. Complete a race. Badge.
Great.
Cool. You got 200. Okay, so okay, let me invite.
Yes.
Let me invite you to the drag race.
Yes.
How did you invite me, bro?
I got one diction, but
Race. Okay, did you get it?
yes.
Yeah. Come on, join me. Spidey Super. What's that username? Spidey Super Q.
4, 3,
2, 1.
go!
Hey, dude. Woo! I'm in first place. I'm in second place right now. Oh, I'm going really fast. What?
How fast now? Guys, complete.
What? I got laggy. I'm like, what?
Fast.
What? Whoa! What? Oh, God! Oh, how? That is so good! How did you win? How did you win? Bro? How did he win, bro? I just got laggy. You're just right there. Am I laggy?
Can you invite me?
Sure. I just crashed. Oh my god. Shit. Ran out of time.
Batch. I got a batch.
What badge? Game has been erased. You're stuck. Reset. You're stuck, bro. You're stuck.
Okay.
Okay. What? 5 of them have joined. Wait,
5.
2? But I have 5.
2.
What?
Flash. Ready, go.
Wait. Huh?
I did not get anywhere.
I can't move. I can't move. I can't move by myself. I'm gonna leave the race.
Can't. Left the race.
Okay, reset, bro. You're stuck.
How many times?
He has left the game. He's laggy. We are so laggy. We are all so laggy.
Can you let me now?
Okay. What is it? Jeez, why is it not coming?
Invite me.
Race in
bro.
progress. It's race in progress, bro. The race is in progress.
I don't want to wait more time.
Wait, one.
How many times you are clicking? Hush.
Yeah. Someone invited me. Someone invited us.
Don't go with them.
Yeah, let's go. We will win. You're just crushing me.
One. Start.
Yay.
3, 2, 1. Let it go.
Yes.
Ooh.
Wait, what? What? Are you kidding me? You're the lead.
Fast.
I'm the lead. I'm the lead.
No.
I'm the lead. I'm the lead. I just beat you. I just beat you.
Let's see. Hey. It's last chance. Last chance. I will win. Challenge.
Yeah, I will win in a second and I will kill you. Yeah.
Invite me. The last
What?
challenge.
What? You're there? Why are you there? Why are you there? But you're not.
Remove them.
Please. I am laggy, bro. I am laggy. Okay. Let me. I can't. Let me use a boost.
Invite me.
I can invite you now. Yeah, come on. You got invited. Someone has joined.
Last challenge now.
I'm gonna win.
I
Yeah.
will.
I will come the first
I
place.
will.
Yeah.
I will, bro.
You're so stupid. Yeah, I'm the lead. I'm the lead. I'm the lead. I'm the lead. I'm the lead.
I won. I challenge.
Okay.
I won.
Okay.
See, challenge completed. I won.
Yeah.
I fulfilled.
Wait. I'm in third place. You're in first place.
Yeah.
Correct.
You
I have
want
to.
another challenge?
Yeah.
I will crack it.
I will. Someone has sent me a friend request. Okay, let me. Yeah, I have sent you. I have sent
I
you.
also accepted.
Someone has accepted.
Come on.
Accepted.
Very interested.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, you did not invite me.
Yeah, it will come. Wait.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah.
It's ready. Go.
Nothing will stop me. But I'm gonna win. I'm gonna get the lead.
Challenge.
Almost there. Yes. See, I'm telling you. And it is complete. Okay. Yes.
My name is Sagat. Want another challenge? The last challenge.
Yes.
Last challenge.
Yes.
Last challenge.
Wait, what? Oh. Someone has Invited. You also invited. Come on, flip your car. Come on, flip your car. 2, 1.
Don't disturb me.
Now click.
I will.
Survival in the crash newer.
I could not click.
Yeah, he's also not moving.
Oh.
Survival in the clash league.
Why?
This is a hard. This is a
Why?
hard map.
Oh.
Okay, respawn. Okay, let's respawn. Can I click? What? I'm on the finish line. Are you kidding me? Someone left the game. Okay, let me lead the game. Okay, yes, lead.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's do it again, okay?
Okay.
I thought it was brag days. That's the hardest. That's the very hardest race for.
That is a challenge.
Race 4. It's holy moly. It got holy moly. I'm gonna get the fastest car ever. This is the best. Okay, let me upgrade my car.
Can you invite me?
It's the game is full. The game is full. You don't have a car? Are you kidding me? Equipped. Oh, I have so much. Okay. I'm gonna buy this level 3. I buy the level 3 nature types. Okay, this is okay. Tires. Off-road tires. I got leveled up. I have no. That's all. I have upgraded my car, and I'm gonna do it. So now I'm gonna win for sure. Yeah, yes, race. Yeah, I have invited you. Yes, I have invited you. I have invited you. Now I'm gonna win for sure.
Challenge?
Challenge. I have upgraded my car into a max level.
Let's see.
Yes, I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm in the lead.
Let's see. Whatever.
Hey, I'm in the lead. Do you see a car? That's me. Do you see a car right? Somebody's taking you and drive. You silly race complete.
You upgraded, that's what.
Yeah. Now I will challenge you. Click. Oh, I got a page. Ooh, I got someone invited us. Okay, collect. Okay, we are in the race. It will come. Wait there. Sometimes it will happen, but it will come. It will come.
Yep.
Yes, see? I told you.
Yep. All the best.
Yeah. Wait, he's in the lead. Are you kidding me? He's in the lead. Are you kidding me? That's me. That's me. That is. I am the only one, the big bull. Race complete.
You upgraded, that is the reason.
Yeah. Collect. Okay, let me call upgrade for sure. Upgrade. It's okay, so. Racing tires. Okay. Racing tires. Suspicion. Ah. Racing springs. Racing springs. Engine. Yep, that's okay. You have no enough money. Someone invited us. Come on, someone invited us. Come on, come on. Yes, we got invited. Let's do this. I have upgraded my car.
Yes, lost.
Very enough.
This is lost.
Now I'm gonna defeat you. He has the Foxy shirt from Lanky Box. He has a Foxy plushie. Oh wait, this is not drag race. This is not drag race. This is a snake race.
It's different.
Yeah, this is not the drag race. This is the. Oh, I just ripped it. Man, jeez. Jeez, no, I'm gonna crush you. No, I just fall.
Wow.
Baby. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? You're not moving anymore. So, blah, blah, blah. Good luck, blah, blah, blah. I'm the first place, blah, blah, blah. Look at me. I'm in the first place, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'm gonna defeat everyone in a second. How dare they? I'm gonna win for sure. I'm in the sky, lol. Someone said I'm in the sky. What? Someone said I'm in the sky. Hey, Juegowithsaba.
Yes.
Someone said I'm in the sky, lol. I will say that they said I'm in the sky.
Enjoy.
Eat about you guys in. What? I'm really defeating them. Are you kidding me? Baby Pigman, I gotta crush you. I gotta crush you. Oh my god, it's hard. Baby. I'm in the lead about the shot. Whoa! You just saw me? Baby! Don't crush me! You're the meanest driver ever!
You are a cheater.
Nope. I'm not cheating. I just joked you. Oh, I'm falling! I just respawned. Are you kidding me? You're in the second. I'm in the first. Baby! I'm gonna crash you! I'm in the lead, baby.
I almost reached you.
Not really, just a million thousand. Woo! Oh, I saw the finish line. I'm in the finish line. Yes! Race complete! Race complete! Oh, yes! Yeah, I'm in the second. You're in the fourth. Yeah, I'm in the second. You're in the fourth.
I'm the first.
Continue. I'm gonna unlock the fastest car in the world.
Slower.
Okay, so
That's very nice. Thank you.
okay, I'm gonna phone you.
Can you close now?
Okay,
After
but
that you can play. The video you can close now.
I have this is the 2 times race, and let's end the video. But wait, why did you leave the game? Oh, someone invited me. Are you kidding me? Okay, so I'm gonna win for sure because I upgraded my supercar. Wait, he has a twin mill. Oh no! I'm gonna get in the second place. He has a twin mill car. I know it. That's the fastest car. He awarded it. I had 2 days left for the twin mill car for free. Okay. Oh my god. I'm in the second place. I'm in the second place. Okay, so someone just invited me. Oh, someone just go on the ground. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh, my Oh my god. Ah, jeez. I just fell. Man. What? This is hard. What? Are you kidding me? Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye.